Hey guys, what's up? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, as you can see, I got the fenders kind of roughed in here and fitted on. But did run into a couple of problems, and this is why you got to put shit on before you paint it. So this side, everything is good. The rad support's got to go up a hair because the mount's got to go up about 1/4 inch yet, so the gap's a little tight down here. Otherwise it looks good. But a guy wouldn't think, see where the holes are? Well, look at this one. Isn't that something? Because these were from a parts car. We ordered these 2 front fenders from another car. So now I got to weld these up. I got to make a shim for the mounts on the rad support, bringing that up 1/4 inch. I just want to get this front end squared off and make sure everything is good before I paint these fenders. And then this fender was smashed, so I want to make sure that it lines up in the front right here. I've been looking at a lot of different other cars here up inside here, and it looks terrible. Like it looks just like this. This is just a terrible design from the factory. And then this is a 72. If you go to the 73, the trim goes right up to the edge here on a 73. You don't see any of this stuff inside. So once this is done here, you see this whole edge in here, and wow, I couldn't believe it. I was looking at a whole bunch of them, and yeah, that's just the way they are. See, like this side here, see what I'm saying? This is how this is going to stay up inside here. See, that's how it is. There's nothing here that fills this in anywhere. Kind of a strange thing. The other thing I noticed here too is the way these line up with the hood on the top here. Terrible, terrible. So hopefully I don't have too many problems here with the lineup with the hood kind of thing, but I don't know. I guess we'll find out. So, but that side was smashed. The headlight door does fit in there pretty good. And then this side, same thing. We got a problem here. I got to fill up these holes, and then I'm gonna have to do a little touch up down here. I'm gonna have to shave a little bit off the edge here and add a little bit of weld right here. It's a little bit, just a little bit. I don't want to bondo it up here. It's just too much. So I'm gonna add a little bit of weld right here and just finish that off. But yeah, that's why you have to fit things before you paint. See, on this side, same thing. Look at this. It's amazing how many different trim things there are for these cars, I guess. But good thing I didn't paint it, because I was ready to prime again here. This was the first blocking. So I'm going to get that fixed up now. I'm going to square off the rad support, lift it up where I need to, and then I'm going to take the fenders off again and get that fixed up, and then should be good. I don't think I'm going to have to worry about putting it back on again. They look like they fit pretty good up front here. So, but yeah, that's about it, I guess, guys. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Alright guys, talk to you later.